Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Xbox gift card from Microsoft Rewards. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you want to do is to head over to Microsoft website. From there, you just want to go into the page which is called Microsoft Rewards. From here, you want to make sure you're logged into the correct account, and when you're happy with that, we can go ahead and click start earning right here. From there, we'll be taken to this page here, and at the top we can see how many points we have available. Now you just want to keep a mental note of this number because we're going to need to know that in a second when we try and redeem our points. So what we want to do next is go ahead and click redeem up here, and then if you scroll down a little bit here, we can see all of the things that we can actually redeem with our points. So since we're trying to redeem an Xbox gift card, we're going to scroll down until we find this here, and we just want to go ahead and click on it. From here we can see that we need 6,300 points for a £5 gift card, and we can also click on here to see more options. So you can also get a £10 gift card and a £25 gift card. So click whichever one you want to get, and when you've got enough points, this button here that says set as goal will actually say redeem. So in order to redeem it and claim your Xbox gift card, we can just click that button here, and then from there Microsoft will actually give you a gift card with £5 on it, and then you can redeem that into your Xbox account and spend it on whatever you want. So that's how you can redeem an Xbox gift card from Microsoft Rewards. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.